An invisible update has just been deployed to every soul on Earth, instantly expiring a spiritual contract humanity relied on for 2,000 years. The terms of version 1.0 were straightforward: a single, all-purpose savior, a reliance on blind faith, and the promise of a free, consequence-free, eternal vacation. Version 2.0 began when 9 billion customized glowing saviors broke off from a cosmic wave to deliver the new terms of service. Every human, including a skeptical teenager named Abby, now has a personal visitor announcing the update. The message is a sharp reality check. The old savior has officially retired, and the instant, free, eternal warranties of the past are permanently canceled. This new era ends the age of the long-suffering bystander. To progress, individuals must now take active responsibility by enrolling in soul school to shape their own reality. This gauge illustrates the first major requirement of the new contract: karma repayment. You must ask for your past sins back from the one who bore them and independently balance at least 25% of that misused energy. The primary tool for this work is the violet flame. Students use it to systematically clean the cause, effect, and permanent record of their past imperfect choices. This shift also requires a hardware upgrade. You must dust off and activate a set of 7 internal energy chakras to direct mystical light and increase your overall energy flow. Only by meeting these specific prerequisites can a student earn the attention of a graduate master sponsor and the karmic board, who then help balance their redemption with future trials. This system places the burden of growth on the individual. You must physically clean your own record and free up your own energy before you are qualified to help heal the planet. A polished antagonist named Sir Pent offers a competing shortcut: a socialist spiritual world. He promises complete debt forgiveness, an end to all rules, and the right to act purely on raw emotion. The trap relies on a specific logic: the idea that if you pretend consequences don't exist and blindly forgive everyone who hurts you, your own karma is magically erased. This ideology causes an immediate breakdown. In the city plaza, unhealed anger and repressed emotions turn into a physical wave of violence as people realize there are no longer rules to restrain them. Abby's friend Evan intervenes, shouting for the crowd to realize a harsh truth: ignoring consequences doesn't erase them, it merely forces someone else to pay the bill for your actions. Inviting enemies inside your protective shield in the name of forgiveness only feeds them. This drains your potential and violates the fundamental laws of the new cosmic system. Abby realizes that while the old system promised comfort, it treated humanity like pets. The new contract is far more demanding because it treats humans as potential masters. Countless distractions attempt to derail this path, from fake recruiters to political petitions and outdated leaders trying to maintain version 1.0 systems that have already expired. Abby shuts out the societal noise and rejects the false shortcuts. She chooses to write her own new contract, opening a blank document and typing her soul school application. This difficult path offers concrete rewards: 9 distinct spirit powers, and the ability to direct mystical light across infinity. Self-mastery requires looking past the loudest, most comforting offers to face the individual work of clearing karma and passing the tests of the soul school.